Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Twitter account in some very easy steps. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your Twitter account, just simply open your Twitter application, now known as X. And after opening the application, simply click into your profile icon. And after that, go to Settings and Support by clicking into this Setting and Privacy icon. And after that, you just simply have to select your account into here. And after selecting your account, you will get this Deactivate Account. Tap into that. And now, before proceeding further, the thing that you have to know in here is that you cannot delete your Twitter account directly. Before deleting your Twitter account, you just simply have to deactivate your account for 30 days. And after deactivating your account for 30 days, your account will automatically be deleted at the 31st day of your deactivation. It means if you deactivate your account right now, it will be deleted after 30 days. Even in between the period of that 1 month, nobody can find or contact your account. Now, in order to delete, just simply click to this deactivate option. And after that, enter your Twitter password. And after entering the password, then click to this deactivate option. Then, leave your account for 30 days, then it will be deleted after the fixed time period. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.